Okay, this is another request from our followers. Na-request niya tong kanta and then yung guitar riffs kung paano siya i-play. So, this is Crawling in the Dark by Hubas Tank. Medyo kakaiba yung tuning din to. So let's dive in. Let's go. So, yung tuning nito, bale, this one is E, standard, and then this one is B. From A, aakyat ka sa B. And this one is E. So, parang naging open E siya or drop E. Actually, yung tatlong string lang naman yung piniplay nila rito eh. So, this 3 string, hindi siya napiplay. Ito, hindi masyado. So, yung tatlong string lang na to yung napiplay nila. So, yung intro nito, the intro, you'll start at E. It's A7. So, slow. So, ito lang yung ipo-play mo. So, these are the notes. So, ito is D9, D10, A10, A9, D5, and then A5 pala, and then D7. So, slow. After dito, babalik ka sa D9. After D10, so slow. And then yung second part, you'll be playing C. Ito yung playing note niya. So, C, A3, D5, D4, D7, and then A5. So, slow. Pwede rin yung ganito kung hindi mo abot yung stretching na ganyan. Kasi minsan ako medyo maliit yung nahihirapan. So you can play like this. Pero medyo iba yung tunog niya eh. Yan yung original. Pero pwede mo naman siyang you can play like this. for the verse 1 saka verse 2, it's the same pattern lang dun sa intro. So, yung tinugtog natin kanina, same like this. By the way, it's 2 times lang and then 2 times lang dito. Kasi dun sa intro, it's 3 times. Tapos ito 1 time lang. They play it dun sa intro. Pero dun sa verse, 2 times din sa C. And then pagkatapos nun, chorus na. Okay, for the chorus, I played like this. Same pattern dito, pero yung pinagkaibahan nila, the main difference is we'll play like this from 10. It's E10 and then A10, tapos this one it's D12. Then the next riff, open, and then A9, D12. So slow. So, dun sa harmonies na yon, yung chords nun is open lang, and then E, and then yung bagsakan sa F. After E, F. So, slow. And then F. It's 2 times. Then yung parang guitar solo nila, so yung rhythm riffs nun is ganito. Ulit. For the bridge part, this is how I played it. So, from dito sa it's C, sa C. Pero you will be playing this note. And then the next would be A5 and then D4. So slow. Spread it too high. after this one, A2 and then D5. So the first one is 5-4, the second one is 2-5, but this one is open. So slow. How much further do I have to go? And then the next would be same pattern, dito pa rin. And then the next would be 4, 5, 7. Ganito. And then the next would be i-move mo lang siya, ganyan. So from this one, so from the start, slow. Pagkatapos nun, mag-open ka na dun sa, you will open the D, chugging like this. And then, yung sunod dun would be yung intro, going to ending part. Okay, for the ending part, same pattern lang dun sa main intro, something like this. Two times. After this one, you will play the chorus na. And then back na dun sa main riff, yung ganito. And then diretso lang yun hanggang sa matapos na yung riff nila. Okay, so that's it. So yun lang yung guitar riffs for the for that song. So maraming salamat. Thank you very much dun sa nag-request nung song. So it's a great song. Although medyo mahirap siya kasi alternate picking ulit. But you can practice until makuha nyo yung ano. Until you do it. Okay, yun lang. And then don't forget to follow me sa Facebook ko and then sa YouTube channel ko din. Yung YouTube channel ko din medyo medyo konti pa yung subscribers doon. So nakaumpisa lang kasi. So you can subscribe dun sa YouTube channel ko. Bukod kasi dito sa Facebook, ina-upload ko rin yung videos ko dun sa YouTube. So yun lang. Thank you very much and then have a good day. Bye.